Welcome back, guys. Check this out. We made $2,175 on Netflix. Year to date, that puts us up around $5,348. Now, if you look at Netflix here, it looks like we are starting to turn right here. We went down all the way 34% from these highs at $134 all the way down to $89. You can see 34% pullback there. But now if you zoom in on the 1 month chart, you can see this resistance is starting to get broken here that we have been talking about. If you've been following the channel, looking at this $91, we need to see, is this going to hold tomorrow? This is a big level, trading at 91.58 currently at this time. If we get pullbacks to 91, we expect to see this moving forward. Definitely keep your eyes on that as we move forward here. This is a major zone. Zooming in on the 5-day chart, it has been rejecting this $91. Rejection, big sell-off from here, and now it is creeping back up. So let's wait. Let's see if we can get this move tomorrow. Currently in the after hours, Netflix is almost already at $92 per share, so it is moving up. So let's pay attention to this. Pullbacks should be bought on this stock. Also check out Ethereum here. It was having a little struggle zone right here around 3,400. Now that we have popped off of this $2,900 level, we are moving up. Something that I want to keep an eye on here tomorrow. Can we break above this $3,400 level? If you look at this in the 3-month chart, it is clear as day. What we need now is a push up. We need a push up above and then confirmation right here and then push higher to the moon.